In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits on Doordash. If you want an easy way to budget for takeout or send someone a quick gift, buying a Doordash gift card and redeeming it as credits is the way to go. You can do everything from the app or the website, and the whole process just takes a few minutes. Start by opening Doordash on your phone or going to the website in your browser. From there, open the main menu and choose gift cards. On mobile, the menu is usually the three lines or profile icon. On desktop, look for gift cards in the navigation. This is where you can pick between a digital card that's emailed instantly or a physical card that's mailed to an address. Next, choose the amount you want. Doordash lets you load a value from $5 up to $500. Think about how you plan to use it. A small top-up for a single order or a larger amount to cover several deliveries. If you're sending it to yourself to build credits, pick an amount that matches your usual spending. If it's a gift, consider what would comfortably cover food, taxes, and fees in the recipient's area. When you're ready to buy, select the gift card type and fill in the purchase details. For an e-gift, you'll enter the recipient's email address. It can be your own if you're buying credits for yourself. Double-check spelling so it arrives in the right inbox. Choose your payment method, review the total, and confirm by selecting Buy. Payment options vary by region, but a standard debit or credit card usually works. After purchasing an e-gift, check the email inbox you used. Delivery is typically instant. Open the message from Doordash and copy the gift card code inside. Keep this code private. Anyone with it can redeem the value. If you don't see the email, look in your spam or promotions folder. Physical cards include a code you'll reveal once the card arrives. Now redeem it to convert that value into Doordash credits. Open the Doordash app or website, go to your account, then choose Credits and Gift Cards. Paste or carefully type the code and tap Redeem. You'll see the balance added to your credits. These credits will appear at checkout and may apply automatically to eligible orders. If you run into an error, check for common typos like zeros and the letter O. That's it. You've purchased a gift card and turned it into Doordash credits, ready to use on your next meal. Keep your code safe and enjoy easier, more organized ordering.